Another really popular vegetable to grow in the garden at home is a cucumber. Cucumber is a warm season plant, so it really thrives in the heat. It's a vining plant, and so if we're growing cucumbers, we do need to give it a trellis, or in this case a tomato cage, something for that vine to grow up on and hold those cucumbers up off of the ground as they're ripening. Some fairly heavy gauged wire attached to a T-post would work just as well, especially if you're growing a long row of cucumbers. In this case, we just have one in the garden. But 1 or 2 plants is probably enough for a small family, because these cucumbers will be very productive. Remember, give your vegetable garden plenty of water and fertilize these plants to maximize productivity, and enjoy the fresh produce that you harvest from your garden. From the University of Wyoming Extension, this is Chris Hilgert. You're watching From the Ground Up.